See, they were smart. Because the rocks are so heavy, they loaded them on top of a hole that the heavy rocks could fall through to a conveyor belt below. The conveyor belt gives them a shake as they fall down and through, and they're on their way. The rocks are carried on the conveyor belt to the barge. Wow, they're like small mountains of rock. I wonder what happens next. Who'll pull the barge?